How to sell digital art online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can sell digital arts online. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So in this video I'm going to be telling you a couple of different websites where you can sell your digital arts. Now, how do you basically create digital arts? Well, it's technically simple and very difficult at the same time. Now, you're gonna have to do a couple of different things. You're gonna have to look at a couple of different websites and see what is popular right now, and you can create them as well. So first, let's go over to Pinterest. Now, this website is pretty amazing. You can get quite a lot of different themes over here. So let me just go ahead and sign up real quick. So right now I'm over here on Pinterest. Let me just search for digital art or illustration. Let's go for art. All right, let's search for digital art. So as you can see over here, we have quite a lot of different themes over here. Now these are very popular right now, and they're very difficult to make. As you can see over here, you're going to need to have a certain level of skills. Okay, so you're gonna need computers, and skills is very important. So your main thing is going to be your illustrations as well. So you can create illustrations on Adobe Illustrator. It's over at adobe.com. You can download that software over there, and once you have downloaded them and you have your skill set ready, you can go ahead and create these amazing looking digital arts. Now these are very high level digital arts, so these are very popular right now. So this is what people really search for. But you can look at this image right here. Now you might think that this is very difficult to make, but this is just a picture of Thomas Shelby walking. So you can go ahead and download that, and then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna have to create different filters on it. You're gonna add different filters on it, you know, to make it look different, make it look awesome, cool. As you can see over here in this picture, like he basically added a cartoon filter, I think at first, or a vintage filter that makes it look like a painting, like it was painted. I'm not really sure if that person truly painted this, but if he did, he's pretty talented. You're gonna have to do something like this, and then what you can do next is you can just sell it. Now, as you can see over here, let me just show you. Let me just go back over here and open that again. So over here, as you can see, we have quite a lot of different digital arts from the Peaky Blinders. So we have Thomas Shelby, we have his brother Arthur as well. So you can go ahead and create these as well, like this one over here. You can go ahead and download a poster and, like, you know, add different effects on it, make filters and stuff like that, and you can probably create a cool looking digital art from this website for digital product for selling online. Now let's just assume that you have your skill sets ready. You know how to create digital art. This is for the people that have truly amazing skills. Now unfortunately I can't do that. I don't have any skills, so that's why I'm just gonna tell you a couple of different websites where you can sell your digital products. So first things first, the first website that I'm going to tell you is called Displate.com. Now this is a pretty cool, amazing website where you can buy different types of digital arts as posters. Now what makes these posters different is that they're basically made on a metal sheet. So if I click on this one over here, this image right here, so as you can see in these images, this is basically a plate that is held by magnets, and you gotta paste these magnets on the wall. So it's pretty amazing, and you can make quite a lot of money from this as well. So over here, as you can see, this is for selling for $44, and you don't even have to worry about anything else. Like, all you gotta do is upload your digital art and then leave everything to Display. They're basically going to manufacture it and ship it. They're going to handle everything. You just gotta upload your design, and you don't even have to worry about fees and stuff like that. They'll only take like manufacturing or shipping fees and stuff like that, and they'll basically give you all the rest of the profits. So let's just say that this one is selling for $44. Let's just assume that it takes them like $10 to create it, right? And then let's just say that a couple of $5 or $6 to ship it, or maybe even more. Let's just say the cut is 50% and you get the 50%. So 44, meaning 22 goes to Displayed, and you get to keep the rest. And over here, let me just show you real quick. So down below over here, you can see earn with Display. So over here, what you're gonna do is click on open Display shop, and it'll open up over here, and it'll take you over to this place over here. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to submit your portfolio, meaning submit all of your work. Like, they'll basically evaluate your work and see if it truly works. So over here, as you can see, 50% less, buy this place with your this design for 50% less. and you can upload your design and let us promote art to 50 million people per month, which is pretty amazing. And you can share and earn 5 times more. You will earn 50% of the commission, as I said before. So over here, as you can see, over 7 million people have, earned and commission to artists already, and the highest artist's payout in the last 12 months was $49,918, which is quite a lot. So it's pretty simple, it's really easy, and it's one of the best marketplace to sell digital arts online. So as you can see, it's really good. So this is one of the websites that I want to tell you guys about. The second website that I want to tell you guys is called Etsy. Now I'm sure many of you know what Etsy is. It's like eBay and Amazon, and it's basically an online marketplace. So over here, all you gotta do is search for digital art right here. Simply click on it and wait a couple of seconds for it to load. And over here, as you can see, the competition over here is quite, minimal. So you basically, you can offer different services, like, you can offer this one over here, cartoon portrait, custom cartoon portrait character. So if I click over here, this person is basically telling us that he will basically create these types of posters for you as digital art. All the customer has to do is just send this person his pictures with his significant other or family or whatever, and then he'll basically turn him into a cartoon type character and then ship it to them. Now you're wondering it's very difficult. Actually, it's not. You can find tons of different filters online that can replicate this effect, and some of them might not be free and some of them might be free. So what I would recommend is go ahead and buying the filter that you can, that can replicate it, because the ones that are free aren't going to be as good as the ones that are premium. So just a thought like that. You can also use free ones. It all depends upon you. So basically all you got to do is just apply that filter on that photo and do a little bit of light touch-ups, like make it brighter and make the colors pop, and that's basically it. And you can earn like $30 to $40 easily from one picture. It's pretty amazing. So Etsy is pretty cool, and the marketplace is really big. So as you can see, you might be seeing a trend in these digital arts. They're all in cartoon niche or comic book niche. They're pretty easy to make. They're really simple, and you can sell other digital prints as well, like this one over here. Like if you can create this or replicate this, it's pretty cool, and you can earn like $80 over here, and even more if I would add. So I would say that Etsy is a pretty amazing website. Not as good as Displayed, because Displayed is just basically for digital prints, all right? But I would say that Etsy has a more diverse marketplace because it has more things in it. And now that you know about Etsy, moving on to the third website I have for you guys is called Gumroad. Now, Gumroad is an amazing website where you can create digital arts and then just sell them as well. So over here, as you can see, you can just simply go ahead and sign up and get paid for your craft. So if you want to sell over here, let me just go over here and simply click on start selling, and let me just show you how it basically works. Let me just go ahead and create my account over here real quick. So over here, once you have signed up, you basically have to create your own portfolio and you have to create your own products. And if you don't know how to do that, over here in the discover section, you will find tutorials and rigs and assets and stuff like that on animation. You can have apps and softwares and writings and stuff like that. Basically, it will teach you everything. So you can create different products as well. So it's just not limited to digital art. You can create other products as well, and it's really amazing. It's one of the best websites out there if you want to promote and sell your products, or even learn how to create digital products or digital art in general. This was site number 3. Now let's go ahead and move on to the final website, which is called Noun Projects. So this is the website over here, and over here you can create different types of digital products. You can create different types of digital art. You can basically create these illustrations over here, or icons, or vector arts, or however you want to call them. And then you can have photographs of sceneries and images of people or cartoons or designs and icon designs and many more. And it's really good as well, but I wouldn't recommend it because not a lot of people know about it, and it's limited to these types of icons right here. Not saying that these aren't cool. I mean, I would love to have these types of icons, but like, it's just, it's made for these types of these types of icons, these types of digital arts. You can create more other arts as well, but as you can see, the majority isn't like that. So what I would recommend is either Displayed or Etsy. Like these are the two websites that I would say that if you have the skills necessary to create digital art, then these are the two websites that I would suggest where you can create, upload, and sell your digital art. And then you can have Gumroad as well. Over here, you can learn about different products, how to create them, how to create animations and stuff like that. And then you can sell them over here. But I would say that Displayed and Etsy are the better options available. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.